right, Keith, these storms have been popping up. We've seen those alerts on the screen. What are things looking like now?
We actually have quite a few storms right now, so we're going to take a little tour of them. A few of them are severe as well. So let's start with kind of a wider view. You can see those yellow boxes. Those are severe thunderstorm warned areas. And one that just popped up is just kind of on the northwest side of Portland itself, but it's still quite a distance away, just coming out of New Hampshire. This cell to me looks like it probably has some heavy downpours. It has some lightning. To be honest, it does not look severe to me at this time. So this might be a little bit of what I call a population warning, where there's a lot of people in this path, and so they kind of trigger them a little bit more easily than other situations. We've got one coming through the Oxford area on the way to Poland too. Same situation to me, maybe a gusty wind in here. It's definitely some heavy downpours and some lightning. Look at the outflow boundary coming out of this storm. So that's the cooler air pushing out of that thunderstorm being picked up on the radar there. And then we have a couple of more storms to the north. Augusta got hit with this already. It's about to outrun its box, so to speak. But this one looks pretty decent coming through Jefferson right now on the way to Union, and that could have some strong wind gusts as well. The rest of these storms are more garden variety storms. This one is severe, but it's basically about to outrun itself into Canada. So current dew points are part of what's fueling all this, right? I mean, you can have a humid day and not have a lot of thunderstorm activity, but once the thunderstorms start up, it makes it a little easier to maintain it when you have this kind of moisture in the air. Dew points between 70 and 75 for the most part. And so when these storms settle down, which they'll do in the next few hours, the story will be that it's very warm and humid tonight. This is, as of 10 p.m., projected to be 78 in Portland, 77 in Sanford, and staying above 70, I think, throughout the entire evening. A cloudier day tomorrow, but temperatures still in the mid and upper 80s. And then we've got some rain setting up tomorrow night, late afternoon tomorrow night. And this is what's left of Burrell's moisture along a stationary front. And that front kind of sticks here on Thursday. But I think we've got a chance for heavy downpours everywhere, tropical downpours, but it's a relatively narrow band where those showers and storms will be consistent. And it's right in this red area here, or just to the north of there, depending on which model you kind of buy into. So I think to the south of that zone and to the north of that zone, we've got a chance for tropical downpours Wednesday and Thursday, but it is certainly not going to be rainy throughout the day. Things quiet down on Friday, and the weekend looks great. Again, we're just ripping nice summer weekends. I don't hate it. So there we are, temperatures in the 80s. I will tell you this also, I kind of conservatively played temperatures on Friday, Saturday, and even Sunday. We could be in the 90s away from the coastline, depending on how much sun we get in there. So it's going to be hot. Dew points will still be hovering around 70 too. So your heat indices will likely be in the mid 90s. You might potentially see a couple heat advisories. I don't think there's anything, crazy dangerous. Just things to be aware of if you're going to be outside. And then into next week, kind of the same deal. Pop-up thunderstorms. Really just summery stuff coming through here.
Feeling like summer in Maine.
Yeah.
All right, Keith, thanks so much.